Ryan bought 2 1/4 pounds of almonds and divided them into bags with 1/8 pound in each bag. Write an equation to represent the number of bags B he can fill. Okay, so right away, I see 2 1/4 pounds of almonds, and then it almost tells us exactly what we need to do. We divide them into bags with 1/8 of a pound in each bag. So the biggest blunder that people made in part A was not recognizing that they wanted an equation. Okay, an equation has an equal sign. So if you just wrote this, that would get you only partial credit because you needed to write equals B. Okay, and yes, you could do this with a number line. Yes, you could do this with a ratio table. All that's fine, but what most people forgot was this. Okay, so that's part A. Moving to part B, all we have to do now is solve this. And I felt like that was not a tricky thing to do. For division, we always use keep, switch, flip, but we have to remember that when we keep, we also need to crank, which makes this 9/4, switch to multiplication, flip to 8/1. I'm going to give you a minute to finish this part off. So go ahead and pause and find the answer. All right, if you did all that math, we've got 72/4. 72 divided by 4, you put the 4 on the outside, 72 on the inside. That will get you 18. And honestly, you could have checked that with a calculator because this part of the test you could have done with a calculator. So the answer is 18 bags. Now, for the final part, which confused the heck out of people. Part A and Part B wasn't so bad. But now it says, the model below represents 2 1/4 pounds of almonds. Use the model to show your answer visually. So if you remember, it says they divided them into bags with how many pounds in each bag? All right, let's go back and look at the top. We had 2 1/4 pounds, and they divided them into bags with 1/8 pound in each bag. So all you had to do is divide this into eighths. So I'm going to cut all of this into 8 equal pieces. Just like that. And I'm going to divide this into 8 equal pieces. Just like that. Okay? I'm going to divide this into 8 equal pieces. Just like that. And you're thinking to yourself, well, what the heck is the point? How does this help me figure out the answer of 18? Well, first of all, make sure you have all these cut into 8 equal pieces. And now, the way you show 18 is very simple. We saw some students who went like this and literally just said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, because each 1/8 pound represented a bag. So how do you get 18 bags? Well, if you take 2 1/4 and divide it into 1/8, you will get 18. There are a few other ways to show this problem visually, but this was the most popular, and that is what you were expected to do in this problem.